Hi, I'm Joe Hugler, and this is my first week's video assignment for Introduction to Music Production course. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about two ways to record an electric guitar without an amplifier. In the first, we'll use a DI box, and in the second, we're going to go straight into a high impedance input into an audio interface. So this is the DI box that I'm using. It's a Behringer Ultra G100, and as you can see in the front right here, there is a high impedance input for a TS guitar plug, and I'll just go ahead and pop that in. And in the back, you can see I just have a standard microphone cable, an XLR cable, and I'm going to plug that into my microphone connection, mic 1 input into my Mo2 track 16 audio interface. So now we have the guitar plugged in, and we're ready to do some configuring over here. The first thing that we need to do is go into the DAW, and I'm using Sonar X2, and we're going to select the stereo input for mic 1, which is where we have the guitar coming into the system. And you can hear, hopefully, we're picking up a little bit of a hum. We're definitely getting a signal. And look over here onto my track 16 and make sure that we've got a good input without going into the red. We can see we're clipping a little bit there. We'll back it off. So I'm using an old 1960 Gibson Melody Maker for this, so it's got a pretty hot little pickup here. And we're also using phantom power because we're bringing this in through an XLR cable. So now I've got that done, and I just want to show you that it is possible to bring up some amplifier sims. In this case, I've got a TH2 64, which is Sonar Producer's sort of nicer amp sim. I could also use Cakewalk amp sim, which is very basic and just lets us, pick a couple of different sounds. So that's how we're going to get the sound directly into the DAW using the guitar DI box. The second way of getting the guitar into the system is actually in the front of the track 16. I have a TS high impedance instrument input here. It's labeled Guitar 1. So I'll just go ahead and plug that in to into the box. Yeah. Okay, and we're going to go to Guitar 1 and hopefully see our levels. First thing we'll need to do over here, though, is select our input. We're now on the Guitar 1, and you can hear it coming in. And just make sure we're not going to clip with the input level. I think that's pretty good. And then, you've got basically the same types of things here with the different amps and being able to select those.